Hello everybody, my name is Elijah. Welcome to 85 Studios and welcome to Maxwell Game Reserve Wildlife Refuge in McPherson County, Kansas. We're going out on the trails today and we're going to go ahead and take some video for you. I hope you like this drone footage here. This is the lake from pretty close to where we parked, and this is looking mostly north over the lake. So yeah, this is an idea of just what you're actually looking at here. The wind is blowing a little bit, so the drone kind of has some trouble with the wind. So it's not bad, but it's a little shaky. Sorry about that. Anyway, shall we hit the trails? Let's go, guys. All right, guys. So we're at the trailhead, and we're headed south. With the old ranchero here, took us out here, courtesy of the old ranchero. What's he doing, baby girl? What you sniffing? What you sniffing? Okay, it's been about maybe 2 or 3 years since I've been out on this trail. So let's take a look at what we got going on. Open to archery, deer hunting, open to archery, turkey hunting, Kansas parks, state parks, and public land regulations. The trails that way, no horses allowed. Oh, Sapphire, are you a horse? Well, you're licking. Don't lick that. It's a pole. She's got this weird thing, like she licks posts and poles and metal and stuff, and wood. I don't know what's up with that. Alright, we're going. Come on, Saph. Wait, let me hook you up on your harness instead of your collar. Stop. Stop. Listen to me. Listen to me. Stop. No, stop. Hold on a second, guys. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Ready? Oh, she's got to go potty. Figures. She won't drink any water, but she's ready to go potty. Come on. Come on. Let's go. It's nice out here. It's really beautiful. Now, as far as I know, down there, where the camera's pointed now, is the area of the lake where it's basically a separate pond where they basically, I can't remember what it's called. It's like a spawning area, and you're not allowed to fish there because basically the fish that are in there are so small that they're not ready to be released into the big lake yet. Sapphire, you have to wait for me. I'm trying to make a video here. Sapphire, stop pulling me. I'm going to put you on your no-pull harness. Well, let's sigh. Alright, so basically, oh wow, look. Look. Some nature, some butterflies, woo. Okay. Sapphire, come on. Sapphire would chase butterflies. She's weird like that. Alright. You get the ultra wide angle here, so you can see everything that I can see here. Come on, Saps, let's go. What do you sniffs? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. She was on this trail before, but it's been a little while. So, hopefully, she will be a good girl for us. Yeah, that marshland area out there that you see, that's basically, that's part of the hatchery area. We had a lot of rain here recently though, so that might not actually be what I think it is. It's about maybe 55, 60 degrees out here. Sorry, that sound you're hearing is my tripod on my backpack hitting something. Oh, come on. Soil profile by McPherson County Soil Conservation District. Fertile soil is a major resource of McPherson County. Our soil is developed. What are you doing? Stop that. Stop. Trail marker A. Stop being a dog. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know how much nature we're actually going to see out here. Wow, that's weird. That stream down there is red. It's like copper soil. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I always talk really nice to Sapphire, but really she's very stubborn. Come on. Come on. Let's walk. Let's go for a walk. She's very stubborn. Okay, we got like a little stream here. There are mosquitoes out, but I've only been bit by one so far this year. It's March. Yeah, see? That's kind of neat. That's pretty cool. And this bridge that I'm walking on here, kind of rickety looking, it's soft. But there's a mosquito buzzing around me, so I gotta keep moving. Come on, Seth. Come on. Come. Come on. Sorry about that loud banging noise in my behind us. That's my tripod hitting something because it's bouncing around. Let's go, Sapphire. There's another trail, but it may just be a deer trail. I don't trust it. I'm going to stay on the main path. Come on, Sapphire. Let's go. Let's go. What do you see? She either hears or sees something she don't like. What is it? Come on. You okay? You hear her, she's growling. What is it? Maybe she smells something. Could be a coyote. I didn't bring any bug spray. Brought all of my equipment. Video equipment, that is. Audio equipment. Tripod. I gotta find out what the hell that's hitting. What are you tracking, Sapphire? She's tracking something. Yeah, I figured there might be a lot of mosquitoes out here. One thing you gotta really watch out for is ticks. Let's go. Let's go. But, yeah, like that. Look at that. That's weird. Mosquito breeding ground right there. Come on. Let's go. Gnats everywhere. And we got these pallet things here across this. Ooh. Oh, wow. So let's see what we got here. That is a big dog. That's bigger than Sapphire. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. If you look at Sapphire's paw print compared to that. That is a big dog. And Sapphire is about 45 pounds, if that gives you an idea. That thing, 2 of her paws could fit in it. That's a big dog. but I'm not real worried, because if I need it, I've got a big gun. Not that I would ever shoot anything. Why do you do a handstand every time you go potty? You're weird. Not that I would ever use it unless I absolutely felt that my life or my dog's lives were in danger. But I took it with me because we're in the wilderness and I do not know what we're dealing with precisely. And I know there are things like coyotes and stuff like that out here that can be rabid. I don't think they would mess with us unless maybe Sapphire was in heat or something, but I don't know. She is a dog after all, and she's a girl dog, so it's a distinct possibility. But I wanted to take her with me because sometimes dogs can sense things that humans can't. They can smell things. Look at that little waterfall. Don't drink that. I got water in the car for you. And I offered you water before we went on the hike and you refused. I don't know where that water came from or where it's been, and I don't know how clean it is, so I don't want you drinking it. Because if it's got some kind of doggy bacteria in it that'll kill you or hurt you, I don't want you to be hurt. Part of my fatherly protection for her kicks in. I'm letting her lead me, by the way, because if anything were ahead of us, see how she's tracking, she's sniffing. Sapphire. We got a cattle fence. We got a cattle fence on this side that is being held up with these orange T-posts. Well, we got a fork in the road here. We can either go left or right. Sapphire, which way you want to go? You want to go right? Okay, let's go right then. Take the high ground. I think that might be the way back also, so I think it just comes out here in the middle of nowhere and then curves around. So this is like a little forested area here. Kind of neat. It's still early yet in the year, so it's not real super green yet, but it will get that way. They keep these trails pretty clean. Come on, let's go. Uphill. Yeah. That's a trail marker, but I don't know what trail marker it is because it's been broken. Maybe just wear and tear over time. There's a big sandstone slab. Wow, look at this. Sapphire, stop. Look at this. Boy, wouldn't you love to be running around in the dark and run into that freaking thing. Big old thorns on that sucker. Look at that. Ow. I think it's a hedge tree. I'm not sure because it's, I'm pretty sure, but here's another little one. But yeah, there's even dandelions in the forest. Look at that. Come on, Saps, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pretty cool trail. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the short video anyway. If you guys want to watch the full version of this video, go ahead and click the link at the end that is on the, that's going to be, it'll be uploaded a little bit later than this one, so it may not be there right away if you guys watch this immediately after it's uploaded, but I will go ahead and edit the longer version, and you can watch this video in its entirety. The longer version of it is probably going to be around 2 hours, maybe an hour to 2 hours. You can watch us walk down this entire trail. Both videos are going to start out the same with the drone footage of the actual lake, Maxwell Game Reserve. But if you're actually interested in the nature trail, the entire nature trail up to here, then you can watch the longer version, which will be on the end screen, the end card of the end screen. So, thank you all so much for watching the short version of this, and you have a great day. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys.